To SQN Sudoku, I am going to solve the Business Standard Newspaper Sudoku Basel on December 27, 2021. First script we have already 6, 7 here. So can't come in these cells. It will come the both the cells 6 and 7. We have already 7. So can't come in this cell. It will come here. 6 will come here. In the fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 8, 5. We have 8 in column D and column C. 8 can't come in both the cells. 8 will be here. Then 1 and 5 will come both the cells. We will confirm later. Column I and J, we already have 9, so can't come these cells. Also row 10, we already have 9, can't come in this cell. Then 9 will be here. 9 will not come in this cell. Also we have 9. 1 will not come in these cells. Also we have 9 will not come in these cells. Then 9 will be here. Can't come in these cells. Then 7 will be here. We already have 382. We also have 9, 6, 1, 7, 4. Only in this cell, only one number is remaining. That number is 5. We already have 5. So can't come in this cell. Then 5 will be here. Then 1 will be here. We finished fourth row. 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 will be here. 3 won't come in these cells. Then 3 will be here. In this grid, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 4, 7 and 4, 7. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. We already have 2, so can't come in this cell. Then 2 will be here, 8 will be here. We finished 10th row. 1, 8 can't come in this cell. It will come here. We will confirm later. 9th row, 1 number is remaining. That number will be 5. It will come here. In this grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. We will confirm later. 9 can't come in these cells. Then 9 will be here or here. Column F and column G, we already have 9, so can't come in these cells. Also 7 row also we have 9, so can't come in this cell. Then 9 will be here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 9. We already have 4 and 9, so can't come in this cell. Then 4, 9 will come in this cell. Then 6 is remaining, 6 will come in this cell. We have found a pair of 6 and 4, 7th row, and column H 4 and 6, and column I 4 and 6. So it can't come in these cells. Then the pair will come in the both the cells 4 and 6. 6th row 3 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in the both the cells 8 3. In the grid, one number is remaining. Number 1 will come here. Column I, we already have number 1 here, so can't come in this cell. It will be here, then 8 will be here. Column E and column F, we already have 3, so can't come in these cells. 7th row also we have 3, so can't come in this cell. Then 3 will be here. We found another pair, 7th row and 8th row, 6 8, 6 and 8. So it can't come in these cells. So it will come in both the cells. Since 6 is here, so can't come in this cell. 6 will be above, 8 will be below. So 4 can't come in the cells. 4 will be here. Because 4 is here, it can't come in these cells. Then 4 will be here. Because 4 is here, can't come in this cell. That will be 4 will be here, 7 will be here. Eight won't come column E. 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 will be here. 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 will be here. Since 8 is here, 8 won't come here. 8 will be here. 3 will be here. Column H, 1 number is remaining, then 1 will be here. Since 1 is here, 1 will become above, 5 will be below. Four can't come in these cells. Then 4 will be here. Since 4 is here, can't come in this cell. Then 4 will be here. 6 will be above. Can't come in these cells. Then 4 will be here. 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 will be here. In this grid, 1 number remaining. Number 7 will be here. Column G, one number is remaining, 2 will be here. In column F, one number is remaining, 7 will be here. Also column D, one number is remaining, number 9 will be here. 3 can't come in this cell, 3 will be here. Then in this grid, one number is remaining, 2 will be here. Second row, one number is remaining, 5 will be here. 2 can't come in this cell, 2 will be here. Then third row, one number is remaining, 3 will be here. Column J, one number is remaining, 5 will be here, 3 will be here. Seven can't come in these cells, then 7 will be here. Can't come in these cells, here also in this cell, then 5 will be here. Column B, one number is remaining, 9 will be here. Can't come in this cell, 2 will be above. In this grid, one number is remaining, number 1 will be here. Can't come in these cells, number 1 will be here. 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 will be here. Center grid, one number is remaining, 6 will be here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.